Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Today's video is an order, a freebie order to my son's teacher, and he wants blue and white in the stationery holder, and then as you know, some of you may not know but some of you will, a couple of weeks ago we had to put our husky down due to severe aggression. He attacked my partner quite severely, so obviously it's a big loss to the family because we'd had him for 3 years, and almost 3 years I should say, and Alesico had been struggling the past couple of weeks, not to the point where he's devastated, but he's just missing him. He's always asking about him and stuff. So I've got some fur and he's asked me if I can make him a pot. So I've got this little, it's a cat paw print, as he's just got a new kitten. We got him a kitten to try and comfort him. So he's asked for dog fur. Our dog is called Phoenix. It's a husky. I just said that. He's asked for Phoenix's fur to be put into the mould with some blue and white colouring, and then this is for his teacher because obviously I've got other children. I've got to make quite a few things, so I'll get these done over the next couple of weeks. Right, so I've got 16 ounces of resin. This takes 10. I'm not quite sure how much this takes, so I've just mixed 6 for this. So in one of my pots I'm going to mix up some white pigment. So I'm just using the Let's Resin Ocean White Pigment Paste just because it's the closest to me. Everything from today's video will be down in the description box for you, along with discount codes in case you'd like to have a look on websites. The resin I'm using is the Apex High Gloss 1-to-1 resin from Apex Resins. So I'm just going to time lapse through the colouring. Oh, before I mix that in, I've got some new colouring. It's an ink, but it's a you see it's got different colours in it. It's got purple, blue, bit of white, bit of aqua. So that's the colour he's chosen for his pot for his teacher and his cat pot, his paw print pot. So as I said, I'll time lapse this.
White and blue like ocean skies. Watch it swirl and mesmerize. Stir it slow, let it blend just right. Twist and turn till it feels so tight. White and blue, making something new. In this resin art, we're breaking through. The way it dances in the light, a liquid canvas taking flight.
Right, you see I had a bit of an explosion there. Right, so that's the ink mixed in. Just get some kitchen paper. Yeah, I poured it in and it went everywhere. It just kind of like shot everywhere. Clean it up. And look at the colours. It's got like purple and blue and aqua. It's really nice, like turquoise. I'm just hoping it goes. Right. So I'm just gonna, in a little pot, put in some of this. Not too much. And I'm going to take some fur. I'm just going to put it into the ink with the resin with the ink in. That should be plenty. Right. So I'm just going to put that to the back. I'm going to pull this forward. So I'm just going to, just like thin, and just follow the pattern. You're actually going to see a mess on my station today, on my workstation. Hopefully it should be nice. I never got any alcohol in my bottle, me. My partner always giving it. Right. I don't think I've mixed this ink in enough. It's a bit blotchy. I'm just making sure that I've got no air pockets. Let's just give this another stir. 1 second, guys, just put it in pause. Right, so I'm back. I just mixed it in a little bit more. I need to hurry up because this is getting a bit warm. Right. No, I can't move that now. I should have moved it over a little bit. No. Right, so we'll have to do it here. I'm waiting for delivery on some decent tweezers because the ones I've been getting on Temu are absolutely terrible. Alright, 1 second, guys. Right, that's better. It was just, I would just need to clean up this mess. I can't work in a messy station. It was just there all over. Right, so now that's in, I'm going to pour down some white. We're just going to marble it while it's in the finger. Hopefully the blue stays where it's put. And we need a little stick just to go around here. Just to get out any air pockets. That blue is stunning, isn't it? I was going to wait for the fur to cure, but the boys are still off school. My eldest, well, my oldest child who lives at home, went back to school this morning. That's my 9-year-old who's got autism. He was off for a week and the other two are off for 2 weeks. So I got up this morning at 7 o'clock, well, 6:30, and my partner took him to school, took the younger ones to school, and it turns out they're not back in till Monday. Walking that street in the uniform, the school's closed. I'm sure everyone's done something like that in the days. All I want to do is get my stick and just poke down. And what that does is it just marbles down the bottom. And then we're just going to go under here, make sure that there's no air pockets. When your moulds are so transparent, you can see air pockets. And then we're just going to put a bit more blue in. And then finish it off with a bit of white. Right guys, I'm going to find something to put this little bit of resin in. And I'll come back later, we'll have a more cleaner station and we can demold these and take a look. So I'll get back with you later. Bye. Hi everybody, I'm back and this is now ready to demold. So that was just what I put spare epoxy in. So that's popping. It's nice, isn't it? I will go over that with a bit of epoxy. I hope he likes it. Got like a aroma effect at the bottom. That's really cool. I really like that. He will actually love this. And then the lid goes on there. Got a little air bubble there, but nothing major. What do you think? I hope he likes that, and I'll have to leave that to cure. Now this one. There we go. That's stunning. And then we go. Let me just turn this back way the right way, and then you can show it better. Yes, I've got to make a blue and white one, a pink and white one, and a red and black with a bit of gold. But there we have it. It needs some trimming. It's got like a little bit of a sparkle, can you see? The shimmer, should I say. Right, and I almost forgot our extra. I don't really do extras. I just make a load of junk for the garden. The garden is full of frogs and all sorts of things. But there we go, we have a little turtle. A bit of over spill, but that'll pull off. I didn't realise that my partner had painted, well not painted, but brushed the inside of its feet with silver mica powder. Well, silver powder, so that's what we've got. There's a little turtle. And put some eyes on it if you want to. What do you think? It's cute, isn't it? Another thing for the garden. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave that with you for today. So please like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so. That would help my channel out so much. And I shall see you on tomorrow's upload. Goodbye, thanks for watching.